Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. My name's Nick. Sorry it's been a while since I posted one. I got busy with work and a few other personal engagements I had to take care of, but in this video I wanted to show you guys something I picked up recently. And if you've noticed from my other videos, my tow vehicle has been a Toyota Tacoma, and I talked a little bit about that on some of the Facebook groups that I've been on and in the videos I've made. But my plan has always been to, at some point, get a bigger trailer to replace the wolf pup behind me here, and just kind of grow my knowledge with bigger trailers and bigger RVs over the next few years. And I've done obviously a lot of upgrades on this particular trailer that you guys have seen from my videos, but now I have a new tow vehicle that is capable of towing a much heavier trailer, and that's what I plan on getting in the future. So let me show you what I picked up. So this is my new 2022 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat. I picked this up in the beginning of October. I ordered it end of July, so it took a few months for it to get to me. But this is the new truck that I have that has replaced the Toyota Tacoma. So this is the Lariat with the dark appearance package and a couple of the other packages on it as well. This truck ended up being about $65,000 before taxes and fees and all that fun stuff. And I'm absolutely in love with this truck. I think the towing capacity on it's about 14,700 pounds or something like that. And so it's extremely capable of towing that little thing, obviously, but definitely for a future trailer, which I'm super excited about. So let me give you a little tour of this truck and show you everything it has to offer on this new 2022 F-250. So starting with the inside, what I love about the 2022s is they've incorporated the 12-inch screen, which is super nice. And what I like about it is it offers sort of a split screen option between CarPlay, if you have Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. And there's a little sliver on the right side that you can kind of set to either a camera while you're driving, or you can have it as climate control or your audio displayed on there for whatever you're listening to. So that's kind of nice. The inside is super comfortable. The leather seats, it's got center console, which I feel like goes on for days down there. Cup holders and everything. Be able to slide this back and forth if you have more cups you want to accommodate. And just honestly, if you've owned a smaller truck going to the bigger truck, you know what I'm talking about. And it's just space. When you open up the back seat of this thing, and it's just crazy how much legroom there is and how much space there is in the back of the truck. And me, coming from a Toyota Tacoma, you know, it's obviously quite the power difference, but also just storage and amenities. It's got plugs, so if you got kids and stuff like that, you got power outlets in the back here for, or an actual power outlet, and then USB and USB-C there for that, and then just a regular 12 volt as well. What's really cool about the 2022s, well, frankly, I don't know if it actually was on the older vehicles or not, because this is my first time owning a Ford truck, but the seats can fold up and stay up, and you have this whole storage area here where you can put stuff. And then if you have nothing in there, you can actually fold down this little container area and it becomes flat. So this whole back area becomes a flat area. One cool thing about the back seat as well is if you have it folded down, over here you actually have a lock for the back seat. You can turn, and now you can actually lift up the seat. So that's nice if you have like rifles or any other viable items you want to keep locked up underneath the seat. That's nice as well. This particular trim that I ordered has the sliding rear window, also defrosted rear window. It's got LED lights all around. I installed this back flip cover recently. I had one on my Tacoma, and I just think it's important to have. I like to keep all the belongings back there. I also installed aftermarket this little tailgate assist, because the tailgate was part of a bigger package that I just didn't want to pay money for, and I knew that I could spend $30 on this thing. And you know, it just allows the tailgate to open slowly. Not that this tailgate is heavy by any means, by the way. It's super light, but so much more storage in here when I go camping. This does have a 3-inch receiver, so you do have to put a sleeve in there if you want to have a normal 2.5 or 2-inch hitch hook up there. It's got the bigger tires, the 20-inch rims. They're black with the Michelin tires. The leaf springs on this thing are just so beefy, able to tow what you need. These are just the solid steps on this particular model. with the mirrors that also telescope out and fold in. I also took out the regular antenna and put the little short stubby one on. I felt that was a better look to it. All in all though, it's just a clean looking truck, which is what I really love about it. You know, it really just looks great on the road. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it as well. It has a little LED markers on the top. And for this particular truck, I also did the dual battery setup, since I was going to be towing a lot and wanted to, you know, have other capabilities with accessories and whatnot. So under the hood, it's got the main battery set up here on this side, and then another battery over here on this side. And I also have the, you probably saw when we went inside here, but I have the upfitter switches as an option there. So you can tie in other accessories and whatnot to the upfitter switches, which I did. I put a little police horn on the first one, but I plan on doing putting in a compressor with air connection in the back, and then potentially going to air bags for the rear suspension to help with leveling and whatnot. But that's later on. For now, I don't need that for this particular trailer. But anyway, this isn't meant to be like a Ford review video or anything on the truck. I just wanted to show the new truck that I got to tow my Wolf Pup 16 TS travel trailer, and then some. So with all that being said, with this truck and looking to go bigger on the trailer, that means this little guy is for sale now. Again, I'm not really in a rush to sell it. I don't have to sell it right now, but obviously if someone's interested who's seen these videos and seen the upgrades I've done, let me know. Send me a message and we can chat about it. You know, I'm looking to get a pretty decent bigger trailer for the next one, probably going Grand Design or something like that. So if you are interested in this trailer that I've been working on and I've owned for about almost a year now, please let me know and we can talk about it. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that the new truck that is going to be towing this guy, they look great together as far as the color scheme goes. I'm pretty excited about that. Nothing new with the trailer itself, by the way. I haven't really done anything else with it since the last few videos. We're kind of getting into the winter season here in Utah. It's gonna get pretty chilly pretty soon. So right now it's currently winterized. I'll probably take it on a couple trips here in the future, pretty soon here, but something that's either farther away or whatnot. Oh, one thing I did do actually, I didn't bring it out for this video. I did put a new hitch setup on here before. I had the Fastway E2 hitch on there, which was fine for this trailer and what the Tacoma had, but now with the bigger truck and wanting to go bigger, I opted to get a bigger hitch. So what I ended up getting was the Blue Ox, I think it was either Track Pro or Sway Pro. This is it right here, you can kind of see. So that's the new hitch that I got, which again is way overkill for this trailer, but for the future trailer, it's going to be great. I basically got a hitch that matched up the capabilities of what the truck is able to tow. Anyway, that's about it. I just wanted to post a little video about the new truck right there and the trailer, since I haven't posted in a little bit. I do still have plans for some other videos coming out within the next month or so, now that I have a little more free time, and that will be regarding the electrical system and an 8 to 9 month review of owning this trailer here for the last few months, and the problems I've had and things I love about it, things I don't like about it, because I realize I haven't really done a review of the trailer. I've really only talked about the things I put into it, like the upgrades and other mods and things like that. And so I'm going to plan on doing a video of like more of a review style video of the particular trailer and things I've found with it that I loved and didn't like and things like that. That's coming out. An electrical video, kind of briefly going over the electrical system, since I have the water system one out there already. And just an overall thank you everybody for watching these videos. I really just initially posted them to kind of answer some repeated questions I saw on Facebook and whatnot, in groups that I'm in, and people really seem to like the videos and they found them informative, and I get, you know, comments and questions all the time from them. So again, thank you so much for watching them. And then don't forget to do all the YouTube things: subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, all those things, so that you know, other people can see these and I can continue putting videos out there. So thanks for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next video.